I'm Nisha Siripurapu, and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Today's my recipe is zucchini baked pizzas. Now this is a very interesting dinner option for you, and it will keep you full throughout the night, and it will keep those nasty hunger pangs away. So let's go into the kitchen and check out this very simple and interesting recipe. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. And till I see you again, stay safe and take good care of yourself. Thank you so very much.